So I am sitting on the floor in my bedroom because if you've been following me for a while, you know that I have made some major changes in my home and I've taken everything off of the walls. And aside from my office, there's really nothing on the walls and the sound just bounces all over. So I've taken to the floor on my bedroom, and I have this recently. I'm sure you've seen on YouTube, but there are a lot of celebrities showing what's in their handbag. And I think it's Vogue actually started this series, What's in My Handbag. And last week I saw one of the women that I follow on YouTube. Well, she copied it. And I really enjoyed it. I'll put the link to her video down that she did below. Her name is Anna Lisa J. She's an Italian who lives in California. She's an artist, a photographer. And I thought, well, if Anna Luisa or Anna Lisa can do it, so can Carolyn. So that's what this video is going to be about. It's what I have in my handbag. So let me also premise this by saying, I did a video a while ago about my handbags, and I'll put the link above here. But as you know, my life is all about being simple. So I have simplified even my handbag even more. So without further ado, let's look inside my handbag. And I would love your feedback. Let's roll. Okay, so just to recap, this was the handbag that I was using. It's, gosh darn, it's really old. It must be 30 years old, but it's leather and it's lasted a long time. And I really enjoy it, but I'm not using it anymore. And I got many comments on it. Well, that's a really small handbag, Carolyn. How do you get all your stuff in there? But you see, I don't have a lot of stuff because that's with my philosophy. I don't have a lot of stuff, so I don't need to carry a lot of stuff with me. So here, ladies, is my new handbag. It's this size here. And let me show you what's in my handbag. It's got two compartments to it. And in one I have my my debit card, don't have a credit card, a debit card and a driving license, medical cards, and also library cards, which is really probably the most important. So I have those on one side of this here. And then on the other side, I have, you'll be quite surprised, I have a lip pencil. I have not one, but one lipstick, and I have another lipstick, and I've got just loads of change because if I ever have notes, I put them in there as well. But that is what's inside my handbag. Pencil, lipstick, and another one. And actually I'm going to talk about this because these are all drugstore, which really surprised me, but I'll do another video about that. And that is all that I am carrying around with me wherever I go. I do carry the phone with me, but that tucks underneath my arm, and that's it. I don't find that I need a lot of stuff. Clearly, I don't need a comb or a hairbrush, and I just try and make my load very light. And I find that if I've got less stuff on the outside that I have to deal with, then there's less stuff that's in my mind, and it makes my life very simple and very joyful. And that's really how I want to lead my life, and that's why I'm doing this sort of videos, so that you can understand that perhaps you could lighten your load, and you can start with your handbag. Okay, I get it. This is probably the extreme, but I have been doing this for months and it has worked. And why fault something that is working for me? That's Miss Evie. She says it's time for me to take her out and then bring her some lunch. So with that, ladies, I wish everyone a good day. If you do this, if you lighten your load, maybe to not this extreme, let me know in the comment box below. If you think this is just cuckoo for coconuts, go ahead. I'm a big girl, I can handle it. But I love communicating with you. It really, really brightens my day. So with that, I'll wish everyone a good week. Stay well, stay safe. Toodles, everyone.